Hello everyone, welcome. We've been working with regular ER verbs in the present tense in French in our last few lessons. In this lesson we are going to continue with regular ER verbs and look at the very important verb aider. Aider, which means to help. So aider is a regular ER verb, which means if you know the endings for regular ER verbs, then you can conjugate aider and of course any other regular ER verb. So remember, the first thing to do is remove the ER from the infinitive and you're left with your root. So we have our root here, and all you have to do is add your endings according to the subject pronoun onto the root, and voila, you've conjugated the verb. So let's start with this one. So notice that we're going to use the J apostrophe here because it begins with a vowel. So if I want to say I help, it would be j'aide, j'aide. Tu aide, you help, tu aides. Il, elle, on aide. So il aide, he helps. Elle aide, she helps. On aide, one helps or we help. Nous, we. Nous aidons, we help. Vous, vous aidez, you help. Il or elle aide, they help. If I want to say I help often, I would say j'aide souvent. I help a lot. J'aide beaucoup. I always help. J'aide toujours. You help. Tu aides. You often help. Tu aides souvent. You help a lot. Tu aides beaucoup. You always help. Tu aides toujours. He helps. Il aide. He often helps. Il aide souvent. He helps a lot. Il aide beaucoup. He always helps. Il aide toujours. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning French and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. À bientôt.